almost done. I just got to get from here to here, just about done. So just barely touch the edge, then set 0.
Right. Now I'm going to bring this up. 0. Move it to 10. Alright, 100. Move that 3 times around, okay? Alright.
So that's basically how it was, kind of like when I first started.
Right.
It's the exact same procedure that they did, but just a little deeper.
Right, exactly. Now what we're going to do is we're going to come in here and we're going to do a measurement. And we are in 842? 842?
Yeah, 842 thousandths.
Yeah. Okay, we're in 842. Okay. We're here. I want you to turn that down to, let's take you down to 780 thousandths.
So it'd be one complete turn going that way.
No. I want you to move it from 1 to 2 and see what happens. But I want you to start figuring out. So if we're at 842 and then you're going to 7, so you're going to move 40 plus 2, 42 plus 20, 62 thousandths. So from here, you're going to have to move it half that amount, or 31. So you're at 10, you're going to actually go to 41. But I want you to go from here to here, take a pass, from here to here, take a pass, and then to 40, cut and measure. I want you to get a relationship between when you take off 10 thousandths here, what do you see on the caliper? Okay?
All right, it's doubled up, huh?
Yeah, so you just keep taking 10,000, moving this 10,000 at a time, cut and measure until you get it down to our 780 thousandths.
Okay.